cross-rutted there for Ferrandis, and he was almost out the side. Herlings thought, yeah, I'm in. Ferrandis said, no way, pal. I'll run you wide. Get ready for a way down the inside here of Ferrandis. This time he makes it stick. Ferrandis knows he's there. Oh, he takes rubber on rubber. Ferrandis looking to find his way back. Herlings looks left and Ferrandis is right. Ferrandis looking for a way through. He goes up the inside. He pushes Herlings wide. What a move. He's got the fans on their feet here. He has lit the fuse paper. And Herlings, wow, what does he do about Ferrandis? Herlings looks to go wider. He needs to get on the power, as we say. A mistake from either of these, and it's Herlings who makes the mistake. Is that it for Jeffrey Herlings? Herlings is going to make a move at the bottom of the hill, surely, and he will make sure that Ferrandis doesn't come out of this corner. Both riders touch at the bottom of the hill. It's an absolute dogfight. Which one's it going to be? Ferrandis is going to park it, or is Herlings going to park it? Oh! Herlings! Ferrandis wins! Ferrandis takes the win here! What a race! What a race here in Trentino! Good job, fellas! What a race we've just seen here in Trentino.